Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a thrift flip. It's the outfit I'm wearing. It's inspired by the 1993 Fendi Runway. They did these amazing little athleisure swimwear red, white, and blue outfits, and they all had a different horoscope sign on it. My personal favorite is the Scorpio one. It's these little shorts and a little top that goes with it. So we're gonna try and create an outfit just like that.
First, you're gonna start with an extra large sports jersey. Cut the jersey in half where you want the top and the bottom to start. Next, you're going to pin the sides of the top together. Using pins, you're going to pin where you want to take it in. You're first going to want to try out your first pin. That's too big. Always use a cat as your assistant. I pinned it in the right amount this time, so now I'm ready to sew in the sides together. As you can see, it's 3 fingers from the bottom and it was 2 from the top, and you get a V tapered in at the waist. Next, you can cut off the extra fabric on the side so it doesn't add any bulk. Now you're going to cut the skirt to the length you want it to be. Then I pinned it up the back. Then I rearranged these pins so that the fabric was laying flatter. Finally, I cut off the extra fabric and I repinned it from the other side so that I could sew the pieces together. Finally, fold down the waistband and you're going to sew that edge. Then you're done!
Thanks for stopping by my channel. This is my first video ever. This channel is going to be dedicated to fashion, sewing. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed everything. If you have any comments, please leave them down below and subscribe if you'd like to see another video like this. I'll be continuing to make thrift flips inspired by different iconic runway looks, and please check out my Depop channel. I'm going to be posting this outfit along with all my other creations. It's Stitch Witch. Thanks so much. Bye.